Hello, welcome to the another lecture of a data science playlist. In this lecture, we will going to cover the topics exploratory data analysis, uh, bar graph with response overlay, bar contingency tables, and how to create a contingency table in Python, histogram with response overlay, and how to construct a histogram with overlay using Python. Firstly, we will see that contingency table. Um, Starting with its definition, what is contingency table? To help qualify the relationship between a categorical predictor and the target, we can construct a contingency table, which is a cross tabulation of two variables and contain a cell for every combination of variable values. Uh, it may be difficult to understand from this definition, so I will take the example uh, in the code. Uh, for example, here I have created the data. This data set is about, let's see, understand by this. First, let's create a data set that show information for 20 different product orders, including the type of product purchase, that products are TV, computer, or radio, along with the country A, B, C, or C, that the product was purchased in purchase. Um, Firstly, I have imported here a pandas library and created the data set that containing the columns of order, product, and country. In order, the numbers are specifying the number of order. In product, specifying the what product is purchased, and country specify the country name. By creating this data set, we get the following output in the tabular form of our data. And our another topic is how we create a contingency table. Firstly, we'll see the definitions and how to create a contingency table in Python. A contingency table is a type of a table that summarizes the relationship between two categorical variables. To create a contingency table in Python, we can use the pandas not cross step function, which use the following sentence. This syntax can be used to apply the contingency to the table. Uh, where the index name of the variable to displace in the row of the contingency table, column name of the variable to display the column of the contingency table. Uh, this will be further explained in the example by here. We have previously seen we have created the data set, uh, and this was the output we have get earlier, and now we want to create a contingency table. By specifying this syntax, we get the this contingency table. Now you can see the difference, what information this is inform specifying, and what information we are getting here. uh, we have here count, we could get the very short information of this contingency table. As we can see that here, for individual product the information is given, and here, in the column of uh, product, uh, product the number of the product counted and specified, which are similar to each other. So this was about the contingency table. It can reduces our output. Now the another topic is bar graph. Bar graph, and we see that bar graph with response overlay. In data science, bar graph, also called a bar chart, is a visual representation of data that uses rectangular bars to show the frequency of category or characteristic. We use bar graph with a response overlay for exploring the relationship between categorical and predictor and the target variable. As we have studied bar graph from our schools, the bar graph simply looks like this, but we will use this bar graph with response overlay. Now coming on the code part, for giving the example, I have imported as a matplot library and pandas library, and I have uploaded here the social science dot csv file, which is my marks file from of social science from first to 12th class. I have uploaded it here, and I have load this file, and by specifying the kind of plot, I have created a bar graph of that data. So this is how we can create the bar graph of any data set. Now, after paragraph, we will see that the histogram with response overlay. A histogram is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution for a numerical variable. It is a graph showing the numbers of observation within each given interval. Uh, this is the example how it looks like, and how to construct a histogram with you using with overlay using Python. This can be uses by importing numpy and importing a matplot library. We'll see this in example here. This is the example. Here I have taken the data set series and printing its five columns, five rows, sorry, not column, five rows, and plotting the histogram. So the we will get the output in such a way. Firstly, we get the tabular form, and as we have mentioned our type of the graph and specify following libraries, we will get the histogram with response overlay. Now the another topic is, so by this we end our this lecture. Thank you.